We have a patient called Tulika. She's a software engineer, I guess.
Yes.
And she had the pleasure to work in London
Yeah.
for a few, for
More than a year. You can
more than a year. And interestingly, she worked very close to my practice in London, and she's gone through the profile and wanted to bring her mother to London GastroCare. Let's hear from her what her experience when entering the premises, and also she was surprised to see that she's seeing somebody who practiced in London close to her workplace.
Yeah.
Can you tell me in your own words what's your first feeling when you came here?
So, doctor, as soon as I entered, I was like, I have suddenly teleported myself from Hyderabad to London.
Is it?
Because, yeah, the decor, it is like very much reflecting the culture of London and how the architecture works over there.
Yeah.
Also, your cabin, as I can see right now, it is very pleasing, very comforting, and provides a peaceful environment to all the patients, I believe, because that's what I am feeling right now.
Yeah. And you are even calling somebody to say that it feels like you're in
Yeah.
a different place. What's
I
that?
was calling my husband.
You're telling your husband that
Yeah.
you're in a different place.
That I am teleported to London right now.
You teleported to London, okay.
Yeah.
And then finally your mother had the procedure.
Yeah.
And you came to know that my workplace is close to
Yes.
your thing.
I used to work in Oxford Circus. I was working for a media and advertising agency called Publicis Media.
Yeah.
And I've been to the location where you were working. I mean, I cannot recall if I've seen your practice or like your workplace or not. But I've been on the street, and I know it is like.
What's your experience of Harley Street? Everybody's wish is to get
Yeah.
treated in Harley Street, is that right?
Absolutely, like the doctors over there are like unaffordable.
Unaffordable? What do you mean by unaffordable?
Like
You-
I was surprised that you have worked for so long in London for like more than 20 years, and now you're practicing here.
Yeah.
A doctor from London working here in Hyderabad, and
Yeah.
that too in a clinic like this,
Clinic like this, yeah.
something
And,
unbelievable.
And normally people talk about the doctors who work in Harley Street are considered to be
Yes.
so-called celebrities.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are celebrities and they treat the celebrities.
They
so-
treat the celebrities.
So they are very close to being celebrities themselves.
Yeah.
It's
Okay. Are
That's
you,
why
are
I
you
said-
surprised to see that the Harley Street doctor is treating your mother here?
Yeah, absolutely. My mother must be feeling like a celebrity as well.
Celebrity as well. Not many people will know what Harley Street is in
Yeah.
India,
Yes,
and
true.
the only people who
Who have
can
been
understand-
there and who have seen the lifestyle over there, they only will understand how it feels like to be there.
Yeah, and overall, keeping that to one side, what do you feel like the overall care you received in London GastroCare?
Yeah, it is absolutely very good, I would say. And the way you explained the disease my mother had and all the processes and everything, you made it very simple to understand.
Yeah,
So yeah, that was a very nice experience. I was not expecting it, but yeah.
you're not expecting. And the premises and all those things and the
It's
hygiene,
absolutely wonderful. Yeah.
hygiene, everything.
I was very concerned about the hygiene because everything has to be sanitized because of this COVID situation.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was pleased to see that the sheets were being changed and the nurses were properly using the sanitizer.
Sanitizers and
Yes,
gloves
yes.
and stuff like
Yes,
that.
yes.
Yeah. And
Absolutely.
everything is single use.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I noticed. I was telling my brother also that see, everything is being sanitized and they are changing the sheets also regularly before every patient enters.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And we would long. I mean, one of the things I take pride is to provide the Western care
Yeah.
in India, and I
Yeah.
know it's a long journey, but I'm sure with people like you,
Yeah.
I could able to
That's what
deliver
I
that.
was like surprised about because I have been to the hospitals there also and I've seen how they work and how cautiously they treat every patient and how properly they take care of them. So here I haven't seen much of it,
Yeah.
but yes, this
You
one,
have experienced
it here.
certain
yes.
difference.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for it. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thanks.